Welcome to Science by PK, where we make science fun, simple for everyone. Today we're asking an awesome question. What if Earth had rings like Saturn? Imagine looking up and seeing huge glowing rings in the sky. Cool, right? But what would life be like with those rings? Let's find out. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another cool video. Okay, picture this. Earth with massive rings. They would be made of ice and rock, most likely, just like Saturn's. And they would glow bright in the sky. At the equator, you could see rings arching overhead, stretching from horizon to horizon. Near the poles, they would look thin, shiny, and like a thin line cutting across the sky. Imagine how amazing sunsets would look with those glowing rings. But rings wouldn't just look cool, they would also change things. The rings would block some sunlight, making parts of Earth colder. Nights might be brighter because the rings would reflect sunlight. Some places might have longer shadows, and this could even change the weather and how planets and animals live. Now think about how history would have been different. People would have seen the rings and probably made up stories about them. They might have even symbols of power, magic, or even gods. Maybe we'd have monuments shaped like the rings, and they'd be a huge part of our art and culture. But there would be some problems too. The rings would create a lot of space debris. Sometimes pieces of rock and ice might fall into Earth as meteors. Satellites and spaceships would have harder time flying around Earth because they would have to avoid the rings. But here's something cool. Earth might have had rings a long time ago. When the moon formed, the debris that from the collision could have made a temporary ring system, but over time it either fell to Earth or became part of the moon. Could we ever make rings for Earth? Maybe, but it would take a ton of effort and it just might mess up life on planet Earth. So for now, it's just fun to imagine if Earth had rings. So Earth with rings would be beautiful, exciting, and maybe a little bit challenging or changing. But even though we don't have rings, our planet is already a pretty awesome place, don't you think? And thanks for watching Science by PK. If you had fun today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. We'll see you in the next one.